Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today we have here is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The Note 9 here that I have is the Exynos version, not the Snapdragon. Well, in Asia it's mostly Exynos now, I think. Yeah. And the phone itself actually doesn't feel too bad, and it feels very complete, like a complete Note. The Note 9 here is a spec bump, and it has some very useful feature here. And the phone itself is actually slightly thick, but it doesn't affect much on day-to-day use. The camera is the same setup as the S9 Plus, and they both have OIS and the dual aperture setup, which you can switch from f1.5 to f2.4. The design, nothing much has changed, and a slightly bigger screen from a 6.3 from the Note 8 to the 6.4 on the Note 9. And the fingerprint sensor has moved to a better and comfortable location. For the display, I can say that Samsung has the best display till today, and it's really amazing. I really enjoy watching videos and movies on the Note 9. The Super AMOLED display is really pleasing to the eyes, and with Dolby Atmos feature, it makes the experience even better and much more immersive. Not to mention gaming is crazy experience. On the top of the device is the SIM tray. On the left side is the Bixby button and the volume up and down. On the right side is the power button, and at the bottom is the audio jack, and yes, it's still there. USB-C charging port, microphone, and a bottom firing speaker, and the yellow S Pen. The speaker itself is a stereo speaker, and which is great, and the speaker itself is tuned by AKG. It has a Dolby Atmos feature as well, which makes the experience even much more better and amazing and immersive. The Note 9 packed with a huge 4000 mAh power battery, and with the water carbon cooling system that helps to prevent overheating. The battery itself can last you the entire day without a single charge. For day-to-day use, it won't be disappointing at all, even for gaming itself. And the version I have here is Exynos, which is great for day-to-day performance and day-to-day use. Gaming, on the other hand, can handle surprisingly well and smooth. The Note 9 is packing the Snapdragon 845 in the US and China, and the Exynos 9810 everywhere else. And it's packed with 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and 512GB of storage, and with 8GB of RAM. And there's expandable storage up to 512GB. If you get a 512GB of version, and you add another 512 and external storage, you will actually get a 1TB of storage, which is a huge space. It's crazy. Now inside the box is the device itself, fast charging brick, USB-A to USB-C adapter, micro USB to USB-C adapter, USB-C cable, AKG headphones, extra earbuds, and a replacement pen tip. The Note 9 comes with an Android 8.1 Oreo with Samsung Experience version 9.5. The lock screen has the basic shortcut, which is the camera and dialer, which you can easily reassign. The biometrics unlock option, which is the fingerprint unlock, face or iris, or the new intelligent scan, which combine both face and iris scanner. You won't have to think which option to choose to unlock when now you're able to turn both intelligent scan and fingerprint together. Basically, you get the best of the both worlds. I still prefer the fingerprint scanner, and which is now placed at a comfortable location. I use it all the time, it's amazing. The fingerprint setup process is the same as the S9 and S9 Plus. All you need to do is slide across the fingerprint sensor and you're all good to go. You don't have to swipe to unlock like the S5 or the Note 4, it's just tap to unlock. It's simple as that. The Note 9 also features the AR emoji. It uses the selfie cam to take a photo of your face and it turns into an animated character that you can further customize with hairstyle, skin tone, and eyeglasses, and even dress up in different sets of clothes. It also can create a set of GIF which you can use it in any messenger app you choose. You can create an AR video in the camera app and it switches to your avatar and with some animals and fictional creature. The Galaxy Note 9 comes with a dual camera setup. Both cameras feature 12 megapixel with optical image stabilization. The main camera features a wide angle and the secondary camera features telephoto lens, and the wide angle lens features a dual aperture setup, same as the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus, where you can switch back and forth from f1.5 to f2.4. Samsung has included a scene optimizer where it will automatically adjust the color settings, the picture to match the subject matter. Here's some of the sample pictures and tell me what you guys think down below. Shout out to my friend Bernard and Eleanor, do give them a follow, link will be in the description below. The Note 9 also features the super slow-mo, which is in 960 frames per second. It's not new, but at the same time it doesn't make any less awesome to shoot it. Here's the shot and tell me what you guys think. The selfie camera features an 8 megapixel shooter, and I would say the selfie works very well, and even the selfie focus works well without much of an issue. Here's the best part of the Note 9, now you can travel alone, you don't even have to ask to random stranger to help you to take a photo of you. All you need to do is use your S Pen as a remote to take a photo of you and yourself. It works with both sides of the camera with the S Pen as a remote. You even can use the S Pen to show your PowerPoint slide or to play or pause your video. The phone itself feels very premium and the performance on the phone is absolutely amazing. I haven't encountered any issue even up to now, with heavy gaming here and there, and with the battery life, it's just amazing. I have no words to add on how amazing this phone is. This really feels more like a proper Note 9. I mean, a proper Note series. Aside from that, that's it guys. Thank you guys very much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't, and do hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every single time I upload. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I'll link it right down in the description below. And this is Mark here. See you next time. Bye.